Coming back to earth, ladies and gentlemen, the face-off between the Congress and the Election Commission only getting bigger. Election Commission sources now telling Network 18 that they have once again responded to Rahul Gandhi's demand for a digital copy of the Maharashtra voter list. EC sources say that the Congress demand are untenable and the leader of the opposition and the Congress must obey previous Supreme Court orders on this issue. Election Commission sources also telling the Congress party not to confuse the public with such demands. Let me go straight across to Madhav, who is joining us on the broadcast. Madhav, it seems the Congress is simply not willing to let up on its claims, despite what the courts are saying, and despite what the Election Commission is saying.
Absolutely. In fact, yesterday we saw an order coming in from the High Court there in Mumbai, and in fact, past orders of the Supreme Court as well are what the Election Commission is referring to. They are citing a particular case of Kamal Nath, which had then gone to the Apex Court, in which the court orders are very clear. The court has in fact said that the kind of charges that have been made by the Indian National Congress are not tenable within the contours of the prevailing legal framework. They also go on to say that the very issues that have been raised by the Indian National Congress have in fact at the highest constitutional court of the country, in Honorable Supreme Court of India. I'm just reading out the writ petition number 935 of 2018, filed by none other than Kamal Nath, then President of the Madhya Pradesh Congress Committee. They also further add that Rahul Gandhi may not have been appropriately apprised of the finality with which the matter stands concluded in the judicial record, and therefore they are reproducing this. And I'm just going to read out that particular portion. It can be discerned the real issue is whether voter list is to be supplied to political parties in text mode, albeit in PDF form. Therefore, discussion concentrates on the issue. We find force in submission of ECI clause 11.2.2 of the election manual uses the expression text mode. The draft electoral roll in that mode, that is text mode, has been supplied to petitioner. Okay. Clause nowhere says that draft electoral roll has to be put up by Chief Electoral Officer's website in a searchable PDF. Therefore, petitioner can't claim as right that the draft electoral roll should be placed on website in searchable mode. It has to be only in text mode and is so provided. So very clearly, the demands of the Congress party, what sources in the Election Commission are saying is that the court's orders are very clear. They have to stick to those court orders, and unless that particularly changes in terms of the legal position, the current demands of the Congress party are therefore not tenable, and they should abide by the orders of the Apex Court, is what sources in the Election Commission are telling us. Back to you.
We'll leave it there for the moment, Madhav. Thank you very much.